Well, despite the rain today, we still have relatively high fire danger because all of the rain that fell evaporated with all of these strong winds. Well, we're going to get you enough rain here starting late tomorrow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that late tomorrow and tomorrow night rain, and it's also blue. Cooler weather in view after 70s yesterday. 60s today will drop into the 50s. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We climbed into the mid 60s, even upper 60s down to the south. Our average high is 48, and that 67 came within 1 degree of our forecast highs. Something about Wednesdays, better than Tuesdays. We're back on track within 3 degrees. And we've had, I think, 11 out of the last 13 days we've been warmer than average, especially the last 8 days in a row. Earlier today, we had a few scattered showers come through. Most of them started after midnight. They've now pushed off to the east. We are watching a cold front that's going to come on through, actually maybe going through right now. There might be a couple of sprinkles of rain right with that right now, but once that cold front goes through, our winds will turn around to the west and start to diminish considerably. Let's walk you through the forecast. There are those sprinkles of rain right around 7 o'clock this evening, and then mainly clearing skies followed by overcast conditions at daybreak. Notice the winds are a lot lighter out of the west. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some rain come up into Kalamazoo, Battle Creek around 4 o'clock or so. It might get up to Grand Rapids by 7 o'clock, but everyone will see some rain, and yes, there could be some snowflakes mixed in up through here. None of that will accumulate. It'll all melt. It'll all be gone by the noon hour on Friday with some afternoon clearing. We'll do this all again for the third and final time through the weekend with some mid-afternoon rain and overnight into Saturday night, and then that will push out during the day on Sunday with a lot less in terms of rain. Speaking of rain, here tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, we are looking at about 1/4 of an inch very early on, and then by the time it's all done, there could be an inch or two down around Three Rivers, over 2 inches, and then a little bit of that lighter rain for Saturday night through Sunday. We're talking about 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch. All told, we could see 1.5 to 2 inches of rain by the time Sunday rolls around. So tomorrow, just cloudy skies north, some late afternoon rain from Holland, South Haven south, mid-50s there, around 50 to 48 further north. Up north, no rain until well after sunset, mid-50s here. Winds will be out of the northeast, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, starting around Kalamazoo, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, might get to Grand Rapids by 7 p.m. Highs right around 60 to the low 60s. 13 on your side forecast. Another round of rain next Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, and temperatures will continue to be warmer than average for the next 10 days, with the exception of possibly on Sunday.